I rise today to co-sponsor Senate Concurrent Resolution number 21, which urges for the creation of a cabinet cluster for education. For decades, our education system has operated under a fragmented structure. Since the implementation of the trifocalized governance structure in the 1990s, no permanent high-level mechanism has existed to harmonize the mandates, priorities, and direction of our key education agencies. As a result, our national education agenda has struggled with disjointed policies, overlapping initiatives, and inefficiencies that have deepened the learning crisis we now confront. As reported by the Second Congressional Commission on Education, this structural disconnect continues to undercut reform. The absence of a coordinated strategy, one that brings together the efforts of our key education agencies while aligning educational goals with labor market demands, national development priorities, and the aspirations of our people, prevents us from moving forward as a cohesive system. The proposed cabinet cluster seeks to correct this gap by bringing greater coherence to education planning and policy. We can ensure that every centavo invested directly advances the needs of our learners. This is not to centralize authority, but to harmonize strategy and hold agencies jointly accountable for results, enabling a truly system-wide response to the education crisis we face. But beyond realignment, this also acknowledges that education is not merely a sectoral concern, but the foundation of national development and social equity. When systems remain fragmented, the burden of inefficiency falls heaviest on those who can least afford it, the poorest, the most underserved, and the most vulnerable. President Marcos Jr.'s approval in principle of this proposal in August 2024 is a significant step. Today, we affirm that meaningful progress does not always demand reinventing the wheel. Often, the solutions, tools, even the vision are already in place. What we need is a will to connect them, the discipline to coordinate efforts, the commitment to break institutional silos. Because if we are to deliver on our promise of quality education for all, we must move as one system where every level of leadership pulls in the same direction so that every Filipino learner is empowered to lead a life of dignity and opportunity. Thank you, Mr. President.